Welcome to our exploration of transformative lifestyle journeys through the ketogenic diet. Today, we delve into the compelling success stories of individuals whose lives have been profoundly reshaped by this popular low-carb approach. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, focuses on drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, thereby shifting the body into a metabolic state called ketosis. This process enables efficient fat burning and energizes both mind and body. Over the past few years, countless testimonials have celebrated its remarkable impact. Our first story takes us to the life of Sarah, a mother of two who battled weight issues for years. She was caught in a relentless cycle of dieting, only to watch her progress dissipate after each attempt. Sarah stumbled upon keto after extensive research, determined to find a lasting solution. With disciplined meal planning centered around healthy fats and minimal carbs, Sarah not only achieved her target weight, but also regained her zest for life. Her energy levels soared as she engaged more robustly in activities with her children, cherishing every moment of her rediscovered vitality. Next, we meet David, a tech professional whose hectic schedule left little room for health-conscious decisions. Gradually, fatigue and focus issues became unwelcome companions. Convinced by a friend's experience, David embarked on his keto journey. The initial weeks proved challenging, requiring adjustment and willpower. However, the benefits soon emerged. David reported heightened concentration, greater mental clarity, and an impressive boost in productivity. Not only did his physical health improve, but this newfound mental acuity also invigorated his confidence, unlocking potential for innovation and creativity in his career. His story underscores the profound cognitive enhancements that many keto enthusiasts celebrate. Lastly, we encounter Maya, who faced ongoing struggles with type 2 diabetes. For Maya, adopting a keto diet signified hope. By closely monitoring her carbohydrate intake and embracing a diet rich in avocados, lean meats, and nuts, she experienced a dramatic improvement in her health markers. Under medical supervision, Maya gradually reduced her reliance on medications, finding empowerment in managing her condition. Her journey is among the many narratives that illuminate how keto can be a powerful tool in combating certain chronic diseases when applied responsibly. In today's exploration, we've reflected upon the diverse and inspiring experiences of keto enthusiasts who have uncovered transformative health benefits. Whether through overcoming weight challenges, enhancing cognitive function, or regaining control over chronic conditions, these stories showcase the potential of a ketogenic lifestyle. As each individual's path is unique, their collective experiences serve as a beacon of possibility for those exploring equilibrant paths to health and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this narrative of transformation. Until next time, stay informed and inspired.